Hello, class. My name is Justin Coffey, and in my former life, I was a high school math teacher at Dodge City High School in Dodge City, Kansas. And I taught high school math for 9 years in Dodge City. And then in 2016, I was named Kansas Teacher of the Year. And so that was a crazy whirlwind year where I learned a lot and just gained a lot of experience. But kind of because of that experience, I decided that I wanted to have a greater impact more students. And so I moved to a position of an education consultant. So I am starting my second year as an education consultant with Southwest Plains Regional Service Center in Sublette, Kansas. And so I still live just outside of Dodge City, Kansas. And I travel all around schools, mostly in Southwest Kansas, but really throughout the state, helping teachers be their best. So as far as my leadership experience, I should also mention that I'm a transition to teach teacher. And so my original degree is in business administration. And so I spent several years in management positions, middle management positions, retail management positions. I would not recommend those types of leadership positions. But my wife is a kindergarten teacher, and she's the one who kind of pushed me out of misery and towards something that I would find to love and push me into education. So I got my transition to teach master's through Fort Hays State. And if you would have asked me a year ago if I would ever be interested in administration, I would say, heck no. That is not something that interests me in the least bit. I've never been interested in administration. But as this position, with this position as a consultant, I've just seen the impact that building leaders have on students. And so it's very easy for me to tell within the first 30 seconds of walking into a new school building, kind of the attitude and the effect that the building leader is having on the teachers and the students. And so because of that, because I've seen the impact that building leaders can have on students, that's what's made me want to look into what it would take to be a building leader. And so with the hopes of someday being able to have that kind of effect on students. Additional information about myself, I mentioned my wife. I've been married for 16 years to Amanda, and she's a kindergarten teacher. She's been teaching kindergarten. I think this is her 15th year teaching kindergarten, so that's really exciting and cool. We have 2 kids together. I have a 9-year-old son, Blaine. He's just started 4th grade, and then I have a 16-month-old daughter, and she keeps me on my toes. She keeps me running as I chase her around the house. But life is good. We just recently moved out to the country. We're raising a few chickens and just learning a lot about country life as we go. But I'm really looking forward to this class, and I'm looking to learn new ways that I can impact students. I can't wait to hear from the rest of you. Thanks.